Hi, I'm Michelle Stolzenberg. Today I'm going to do the questions on Module 5, Education Resources, into my Introduction to Instructional Technology course. Question 1 asks me what my favorite 3 educational websites are from this module, and it's Brainpop, which you can see on the screen, Kia, and Discovery Education. Brainpop combines animation that's fun, colorful, and interactive into cross-curricular movies, games, quizzes, and activities. The classroom subscription prices is $230 for Brainpop or $175 for Brainpop Junior. Also, Brainpop limits the use to only 3 devices at a time. Kia has templates for creating 16 different types of online activities using your own content. The complete online testing system with automatic grading will support teachers and student productivity. Kia's subscription prices are really affordable. The price per year per classroom is only $49, and if 10 or more teachers sign up at once, you can get the subscription for only $39 a month, or a year, I'm sorry. This is very reasonable, and Kia doesn't limit the number of devices in the classroom. I'm definitely going to sign up for Kia. Discover Education is a global leader in standards-based digital content for kindergarten through 12th grade, transforming teaching and learning with award-winning digital textbooks, multimedia content, and professional development, and the largest professional learning community of its kind. I believe this is the direction that education is headed, using e-textbooks in the classroom. There's so many free resources on this website for teachers and students, but the cost of the actual textbooks are not mentioned. Probably because they're going to be really expensive, but textbooks are always expensive, paper books or ebooks. I still believe that Discovery Education is valuable and it's very up to date on its resources, and I plan to utilize it in my future classroom. Question 2 talks about my Kia experience. This is one of the activities I did. It was a matching the color word with the color. Just a matching game. Some of the problems I had in Kia was uploading an existing word list. I had a lot of problems with. It wanted very specific formats. It wanted the extension, the text extension TXT with a UTF-8 encoding, which means it uses commas to separate words. I couldn't get it to work. I tried to do it on Excel. I tried to do it on Word. I just couldn't get it to work. I played with it for about 20 minutes. So finally, I just entered the words manually. I did one activity that was for opposites, and this one with the matching word with the color. The games work really great. I think the kids will really like this one with the color. And they'll have fun playing with these games. Overall, it was really useful. It just had those kind of glitches. Question 3 talks about OERs. OERs are open educational resources, and they're so useful. I used OER Commons and found some really interesting lesson plans and activities that I plan on integrating in my future classroom. They're just so useful. I have used an OER called Teacher Pays Teachers, and basically they have a lot of free content on here, but anything that you do pay for, the teacher that designed it is getting paid for it. I plan on buying, selling, and using this in the future. Overall, I wanted to make sure that everybody know that I continue to use these OREs and the different ones I learned about in this module. Thank you. My name is Michelle Stolzenberg.